g3, bishop b7 and knight. I played d5 and e6 now, knight. So maybe c5. I'm just recording because then I need to say something, explaining your moves or explaining how. Uh, brought a castle now. I played knight f6. So here my knight is pinned. I have to come back with my bishop. And Dora is playing so fast. So it helps me because Dora plays much bullet games. So, so when he think it is not fair, so I am unmuting my mic because my opponent need to listen what I'm saying, but actually some problem is here, so he cannot listen it clearly. And he said it is better, but I think no problem, just unmuted it. Should I unmute? Should I mute it? So he goes back. Oh yeah, but his time is not so good. He can be here. I think it's better now play knight f5, knight e5. Maybe he has something plan to push f3. So then I will exchange the knights easily. I will exchange the knights. Okay, anyway, I think I should take it. No, I don't. I think I should not take it. I think it's better not take it, because I don't want that bishop opening. That bishop is it's fine, you don't start your bishop. My knight can go and you can just push some pawns. I think it's recorded. Let's check my OBS. It is recording. It's recording nicely. Oh, it's blank here. It's blank. I don't know why it's blank. So it's my turn. He is attacking my knight. Can only move to go knight a3. Oh, now he's forcing me, but I think still I have time. I don't need to take it. What if I can go here? If he pushes, knight will again come back to f2. I don't allow his any piece activity here. And let's take my OBS. This blank screen, what is it doing? Oh, he captured one pawn. I think I can capture with my pawn, because I want that he knight cannot join here. I want to stop the knight and the bishop as well. My king can go h8 and I will attack the bishop, and let's see, I can make it. Maybe I have better time than my opponent. Okay, he want to my knight is not working, but I think it is better. Because I know that his rook is protecting now. I need to employ my rooks. Actually, I could play queen also, but actually only one and two piece cannot do anything. I need to bring my knight or rook, actually the rook, and I can play b6 and bishop b7. It can work. Then all the rooks should be on the g file, I think. So how can you beat your 900 opponent? You can learn from me. I just stopped the center. He has a knight, important knight on the d4, but he actually all the knight squares are restricted, I think, with my f pawn, e pawn there. The e pawn is protected, so the knight is on d4, and the knight stops his rook, queen, everything. So he goes back. He has a plan, hitting my queen, but by that time I think I am better. The rook has not important move, so but I want to take this pawn now. But I think there is nothing. He can just exchange the queen. He won't exchange the queen. So I'm trying my best, and his Broda's time is up. Only 1 minute for you. Only one, and yeah, but I think it is the best move if Broda want to exchange pieces, but he is not willing to do that. And my bishop is not working. I'm planning this move also because my bishop, more pieces should be involved. Just bishop b7. So actually Broda lost many times in the initial state. Oh, at last he played a nice move. Nice move. It's a good move. But actually I think I have a nice move also, but his rook can join. Oh, he got a check. He got a check. I completely missed that actually. I missed it. It's the only move. Oh my god. But this is really he make a mistake. He totally missed. My queen is there. And totally missed my queen can come to e7. So I survived now, I think. But I think Broda should bring this rook. It was the best move. Broda can attack me, but I have actually my rook safety. He missed that totally. Now what can I do? I'm enjoying the time. I think simply first I should save my king. I would active my rook. Why? I could simply because I see that okay, I can give him some time also. I should not. He is going to be. I'm +4, so I can. Okay, this is the move. Now everything is protected, so I can go here. I can go here, I think, and my rooks can be doubled here on the e file. He got a sack. He got a sack. Why? Why he got a sack? No. I think because he feeling pressure, time pressure, and all attack has been. My pieces are. My king is well protected now. So Broda, I don't know why he make this mistake. Why you make this mistake? I have 3 minutes. I have a check, so I should go for check. Always try to attack your opponent king when you get chance. But his time it cannot be finished because I am adding 15 seconds. But now Broda is losing another piece. More time, but no problem. I'm adding you time, but this cannot help you. Lost pieces. You lost pieces. So maybe he's going to resign because of king. He just got. Yeah, hope you are resigning, and thanks for your play.